Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly special. We're going to take you along to the Gordon Country Playpen. Whether you're a seasoned off-roader or even a novice eager to test your skill, the Playpen has something for everyone. So today we've got a really diverse lineup. Everything from a stock TJ right through to really formidable builds on both JL and JT Rubicons. It's going to be really interesting to see how they stack up against each other. Okay, let's get into the action. So we joined the Brisbane Jeep Club on a weekend at Gordon Country. On the first day we arrived, the actual trails were closed, but the pen was open. So we took everyone over there and decided to try every line that was available. This was a great opportunity because we had a range of drivers, everywhere from novices right through to advanced. And remember, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join all of our adventure seeking community. By doing so, you'll stay in the loop and you won't miss a single moment of our future videos.
This is a stock Rubicon, it just shows how good it is, eh?
It was also amazing to watch some of these stock Rubicons, the way they just climb over everything. Almost made it look boring, to be honest. Yeah, you're clear. It was great to see the confidence of some of the novices grow as they spent more and more time there, getting more bold, taking on some of the more challenging climbs. Oh, now that's a wheel lift. I'm glad I turned the camera on for that one.
Just grab the frame, just so steep.
Jeeps everywhere!
Yeah.
That's what I mean, like, what is that?
Nice wheel lid.
Nice wheel lift. On you, Marcel!
So when
Yeah, it was this one here. No, not even close. Admittedly, he has got an inch and a half on us.
you had that much, we were touching.
We were touching there.
Really?
Yeah, you probably haven't seen the marks from our sills still.
Oh, wow.
So we dragged our sill, that's where I was dragging there. Nice, that's it.
Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe
Nice,
be
well
okay.
done.
Okay,
Awesome job.
maybe you could be the change.
The great thing about any playpen is that you can turn up with your mates or a great group of people from a club like we did and practice lines over and over again in a safe environment with the support and guidance of more experienced drivers. If you haven't been out and checked out a playpen in your local area, I really recommend it. And even more important, I recommend that you go and find a great club to join. One that's supportive but also lines up with what your values are. Yeah, is this coming up?